Nico, no. Let's sit back down. See, this is why we don't record as much. Hey guys, so we're back with another video. We've done some smaller videos throughout the week. Hope you guys are enjoying those. I know a lot of people want the longer ones, but hey, we do what we can, right? And so right now, Marina and I are gonna have like a small date night. Nico's gonna come along as a third wheel. And we're actually gonna go to a place that one of our viewers recommended after they saw our Chicken Vesuvio video. So we're gonna be going to the Italian Village, and we're gonna have their Chicken Vesuvio, right? So we're gonna have restaurant quality Chicken Vesuvio. Italian restaurants are very much a part of this city's dining scene. And this one just so happens to be the oldest Italian restaurant in Chicago. Opened in 1927, the Italian Village is almost 100 years old. It was founded by Alfredo Capitanini, and it's still run by the same family to this day. Frank Sinatra is just one of the many celebrities who have dined here. And a good tip is that if you decide to make a reservation, ask to be seated in one of their small booths. You'll enjoy a much more intimate experience, and it's perfect if you have kids. So yeah, we're at the Italian Village, and I really like it in here. I like the way it's decorated, like the ambiance and the vibe. We got this booth, and yeah, it's big enough for all three of us.
You know what that's called?
Yeah.
In Italy?
I think it's pastina?
Yeah, but it has another name.
Ah, then I don't know.
Children's penicillin.
Oh, children's penicillin?
Penicillin, sorry. Yeah.
Penicillin?
Oh, yeah.
Oh man, that does taste like essence of chicken broth. It's a very subtle chicken flavor.
Very clean.
Yeah, very clean. Yeah, it's not bad. You guys all know what this is. Okay, let's see.
How would you rate it?
Oh, wow. That is so smooth. I didn't even feel the alcohol in it.
Oh, yeah.
I told you.
I can drink this.
I told you.
That's really good. I got one of my favorites. Lambrusco.
Now the dressing for your mixed salad is interesting.
It's garlic cream.
Garlic cream. Let's try salads.
You're not a salad person?
Not really. I mean, I do eat them, but let's see here.
Is that dressing? I'm telling you.
Oh damn, yeah. The creamy garlic is where it's at.
Nothing compared to what we did.
No.
I mean, our version it was still good, but let's try the real deal.
Yeah, let's try the real deal.
It's very simple, but it's like super well executed.
Let's try it.
It's nice and moist.
Yeah, the potatoes are good too. It's really the sauce. Like, the sauce really makes everything taste good.
Yeah.
Alright, last bite. Yeah. That's the sauce. That was definitely missing from ours, so I'd really like to make it again and try to replicate this. I mean, it already looks amazing. I'm pretty sure it's going to taste amazing as well. It's not the prettiest bite, but that doesn't really matter. This right here. I know people come for the Vesuvio, but this right here. Like the sauce, The beef is like super tender, melts in your mouth.
He put something on top. What was it?
It was mozzarella.
Oh, okay. This sauce is very beefy.
You right?
I can see why you like it.
Has that like intense tomato beef flavor?
Yeah. And then the mozzarella on top. Nico agrees because he already tried it.
And I think the lasagna also has like bechamel in it because it's very, very creamy. Like instead of ricotta, they put in bechamel. Wow. Amazing.
Mission accomplished.
Italian Village. A lot of respect.
Nico, what are you getting? Alright, I was gonna get this pumoni, but the ball's like, nope, we're gonna get tiramisu with pumoni.
So I got away with getting tiramisu instead of spumoni. So it looks amazing already. All I can see is the cream on top, but it looks amazing. Oh yeah, that hits the spot. You really get the coffee with the cream and the lady fingers is just perfection.
I'll give you guys a bite. This is really good.
Yeah, it's really, really good. Nico, it's your half birthday.
Yay.
You're gonna have some ice cream.
18 months.
Ice cream, Nico.
I try? Nice and cold. I think he likes it.
Well, friends, we hope you enjoyed this little taste of the Italian Village, and make sure to pay them a visit if you happen to find yourselves in downtown Chicago. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.